Hey guys, I'm a pet dog, and today I want to do Sky High with this brand new animal I made. It's a bunny. I hope the screen isn't blurry because I looked at my other videos and it was just really blurry. I'm like, uh-oh. I don't want to be blurry because I looked on other comments that had a blurry video of really mean comments. So please don't do that with me if it's blurry, please. I don't know why it's blurry. My computer's been messing up a lot. I hope this video won't turn out blurry. Well, my computer is just been messing up and my video's been getting blurry, and I tried to play Wolf Quest and it said Wolf Quest is not responding. I'm like, wait, what? It's not working? What's happening? My computer's been messing up a lot. I better tell my dad about it. He's good at stuff like this. If there's a problem. Well, I hope I'll get a good prize if I win. Because I don't think I'll win because my computer's all messed up. I don't know if you can see it. But it's all messed up, see? It made me lose. Bad Sky High, bad Sky High. Yeah. I want a warm blanket on this bunny's back. Okay, where is it? Here we go. Warm blanket. Woohoo! Sky High. I wonder if the Sky High at my den is nice to me. Be nice to me, Sky High. Rare pigtails. Woohoo! Okay, let me see if this is all messy up. Yep, it's even worse than the arcade one. Oh man, my bunny just looks all blurry. Actually, not really blurry, but there's just a bunch of like the blue little dots all on top, just all over my bunny. I don't know what's its problem. Animal Jam, what's wrong with you? It's probably not Animal Jam, it's just probably my computer. I hope it's just my computer. I don't want the Animal Jam to be like this. Okay, I hope the Sky High will be nice to me. Let me win, Sky High. Let me win. And let me have a good prize. Good prize awaits. Do you hear that? Uh-oh. It's getting harder. It's messing up more. And there's phantoms. Uh-oh. I wish I could just like glitch to the top. That happened with 100 rocks, and she got a tan warren and she just gave it away to someone else. It wasn't me. Wham! My dream is to get a tan warren. Please. Okay, well, I can't do Wolf Quest videos that much until it's fixed, so I just have to do Animal Jam. If you know the game Plants vs. Zombies, I can't do that video, a video of that because when I pulled up Screencast and then I clicked on Plants vs. Zombies, Screencast thing didn't show up. Uh-oh, it's messing up more. Oh no, oh no. Ah. Well, at least I'm higher than I did last time. Uh-oh, this is going to be hard. No, that was a close one. When I'm really happy, I say, oh sweet acorns, just a lot. When I'm really surprised, when I'm like surprised or something like that, I say, what the, acorns? I don't know why, I just made it up. And when I'm not happy, I say, oh, bad acorns. Or wait, did I just see a brown phantom? I think I just saw a phantom that was brown. Or am I just seeing things? I don't know. Okay. Whoa, I'm scared. I'm scared I might win. I mean, I'm scared that I might not win. I'll be actually happy if I won because my computer's all messed up. Stop messing up, computer. I named my computer Sarah. First when I got it, it said, name your computer. I just typed in Sarah because it's the easiest thing to think of. And I really like that name. Ah, no! Oh my god. No! No! The Sky High is so hard these days because my computer's messing up. How dare you, Sky High? Wait, I need to say it actually to the Sky High. Need to go up. To the Sky High. How dare you, Sky High? Maybe it just doesn't like my bunny. Here, Fox. Do you like me now? Let me see it, if it likes me now. Like me now, Sky High? Okay, and it doesn't. I'm gonna fall. Whee! Oh, darn it. I need to go higher. Okay, now I can fall. Whee! Sky High is mean to me. Maybe if I log out and log back in, it'll be nicer. Uh-oh, you're going to see how many digits are in my password. Wait, I know what to do. Uh-oh. Did you just see? Did you just see those letters? Okay. Let me do something real quick. Sticky notes. Come here, sticky note. Go this way. Go this way. Sticky note! Wait, I have an idea. Just get another sticky note. There we go. Now you won't see that much. What? Darn it. Ah! Well, I'm gonna go on this one. Da da da. Okay, it's still messing up. Just a little bit. Okay. Never mind. It's not messing up a little bit. How's it going to go at the Horses Only party? No, not so good. Okay, what is wrong with my computer? I'm logging out. I'm going to end this video, tell my dad that my computer's not working, and I just need to X out this. So, goodbye guys, please subscribe.